Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Tailscale for secure VPS management. Quick tutorial. Start by ensuring you have a VPS running a compatible operating system. Log into your VPS using SSH. Install Tailscale on your VPS by using the appropriate command for your OS. For Debian or Ubuntu, run curl fsslh https://tailscale.com/install.ssh. For CentOS, use yum install Tailscale. Once installed, authenticate your VPS with Tailscale using sudo tailscale up. This will provide a URL for you to visit to authorize the device. Open that URL in your web browser and log in to your Tailscale account. After authorization, return to your VPS terminal. You should see a confirmation message stating your VPS is connected to Tailscale. Next, install Tailscale on your local device from the official website. Sign in to the same Tailscale account you used for the VPS. Once installed, Tailscale will automatically connect to your VPS. Verify the connection by checking the Tailscale admin panel. You should see both your local device and your VPS listed there. To securely manage your VPS, open an SSH client on your local machine. In the SSH client, connect using the Tailscale IP address of your VPS. Now you can manage your VPS securely through Tailscale. For additional security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your Tailscale settings. Monitor your Tailscale network for any unauthorized devices. That's it, Tailscale is now set up for secure VPS management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.